Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel in PCC. As you are looking here, there are two participants standing beside me. So today is debate. For debating, there is very interesting topic. Topic name is artificial flower versus natural flower. So all of you have to speak about it. Okay, you both are ready?
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Shruti, sir.
You are also ready?
Yes, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Prashi Shukla.
Okay. Now, what is your topic for debate?
So, my topic is natural flower.
Natural flower.
Yes.
And what is your topic?
I am in favor of artificial flower.
Okay. Now let's start.
First of all, we want to discussion what is the mean of artificial flower. Who flowers made from artificially with the help of machine is called artificial flower.
Next.
And the flower which made by nature is called natural flower.
Good.
I am a favor of artificial flower because I think it is so cheap. We can purchase it easily, and according to natural flower, we didn't purchase to it easily because it is so costly. Then I am favor of artificial flower. And I am favor of natural flower because it is very beautiful and also attractive. Uh, how can you say that artificial flower only attractive and beautiful? It is possible to it is possible to artificial flower because natural flower is not only beautiful, artificial flower is also beautiful. Nowadays,
Yes, but
nowadays
there is
many types
there
of shapes, designs in also make in artificial flower.
Yes.
but there is no fragrance in artificial flower, but there is fragrance in natural flower. So I like natural flower. There are many type of fragrance in the natural flower, but you cannot find the fragrance in artificial flower.
You are right, there is no fragrant, but if we want to fragrant, we can get easily pregnant in this artificial flower with the help of perfume scent also.
Good.
We can get.
But you cannot get by nature. It is the fragrance by nature. So I like fragrance of natural flower, and everybody also like fragrance of natural flower.
But nowadays many types of luxury artificial flower looking like a natural flowers, and they looks very beautiful also, and without watering, without sunlight, it also looking very fresh. And I think natural flower is depend only on season, natures and environment, but artificial flower it doesn't depend on anything without sunlight.
Good. You are speaking so well.
And but
Yeah. Keep on.
but there are no any uses of artificial flower. There are only uses of artificial flower in decorations, but there is no any uses of artificial flower. We can use natural flower not directly but indirectly also. We can use natural flower in observing of honey, providing fragrancy and decorations, and also in the worship.
I agree with your point. You are saying we can only use artificial flower only for decoration, but I think we did not only use artificial flower only decoration. We use for taking anyone gifted in artificial flower also, and we make many things with the help of machines. We of artificial flower also. We look so many types of places also in the artificial flower. We use natural flowers in decorate of some days. It's we fed up in very easily, but if we decorate anywhere, any places of artificial flower, they doesn't fed up of easily. And I think artificial flower according to the durability, it is a long lasting, and natural flower is not long lasting, its durability is very low.
But yes, I agree with your point. But there are everyone like a natural flower.
No, if everyone like natural flower, that's also possible in artificial flowers. Anyone's like artificial flower, that's why we use any decorations, but it's also in artificial flower.
But
We use Natural flowers.
It is gifted by God, but in nature flower are gifted by God, and also we use for the worship of God. We use not for decoration. Also decorations we use, but artificial flower are not used for the. But artificial flower are not used for worship for God. Only used for decorations in temple, but not used for worship of God.
Yes, natural flower is God gifted by nature, and it is a very beautiful parts of plants. But artificial flower is gifted by human beings. Human beings, it's created by yourself for ourselves, and it is also gifted for human beings also, always.
Very good, very good. Thank you so much. The debating is very nice. You both have spoken so well. That debating for the debating there is topic. Topic is artificial flower versus natural flower. You both have spoken so well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So